Okay, the final step in this little painting is to lift out some of the highlights on the very top of the pepper. And this just gives your still life much more form and dimension. And we'll soften that highlight a little bit because that's a little severe. Soften some of these highlights around the edges a little bit. We want that to come out there a little bit more. That's better. Okay, and we have a definite, the way you do this is you wet your brush, a clean brush, and then blot it off. And then wherever you see a highlight, try to get to a nice point, and then just gently lift like that. You can see I've already taken some of this out. I'm just trying to get a little bit more out of there. And when you see a curve, you have to kind of do a curve, which makes it a little bit more believable. The edge where that's meeting there. And this has a little curve to it over here. And these basically, these little maneuvers just give you a little more shape. And we've got this edge. Now I had red on that brush. Okay. And you basically just put these anywhere that that you see light hitting. And if you just have a little spot you need to lift out, you can do it gently like that. And up here, on the very tip of that stem. And then very here, you can actually do this with a scrubber brush, but I found my experience with scrubber brushes has been that they're quite harsh, and I would rather do it with a softer brush. This is quite a soft brush. This is just a Master's Touch flat 3/8 inch, and it's just soft enough that it does most of what I need it to do. Because you can damage your paper doing this, so you do have to be careful. And it helps to actually try to put the reflections where you see them in your reference photo, because that makes it even more believable. And you can easily overdo this. I will tell you, it's fun doing this, so you can really overdo it if you're not careful. Okay, I think that's it, and I think that's enough for our little study today. I might make this whole stem a bit lighter though, so it's not quite as dark as I have it there. And maybe right here, give our stem a little dimension there. And that's a bit of a hard line. If you get too hard of a line, just scrub it back in there. Okay, that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful.